Snowflakes are falling, falling very gently. Down, 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 down. Snowflakes are falling, falling very gently to the ground. Hi friends! Today's weathercraft is making snow puff paint. It's a really easy recipe. You just need some white glue and some shaving foam, not gel. Has to be the shaving foam. And you mix them together in equal parts to make the paint, and when it dries, it stays poofy, like snow on your paper. So I'm using just a disposable cup, but you can use a bowl. And I'm gonna put in some glue. Just guesstimating. It's part of the fun. And some of that shave foam that we used for that rain experiment. Woo! And then stir it up. I think it's important to tell you that Mrs. Deb's never done this before. I'm really excited to try it out with you guys. Let's get it all mixed around. Get the glue and the foam. It's a bit tricky. Now you don't have to keep it white either. If you want to, you can add some glitter into your snow paint or some food coloring if you wanted to do something different besides white. So I've got a bit of glitter glue here that I'm going to add in. Again, it's crafting, so add as much or as little as you want to make your paint the way you want it to be. All right, and when it's all mixed together, and you're happy with how it looks, then grab a sheet of dark paper. So you could use a purple or a blue, or you could put your snowflakes on like a night sky scene. And you can use your fingers, or use something small and round like a Q-tip or an unsharpened pencil to make the snow on your paper. Snowflakes are falling, falling very gently. Down, 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 down. Snowflakes are falling, falling very gently to the ground. Nice big puffy snowflakes. But you don't have to limit yourself to snowflakes. Maybe you want to make a snowman with your snow. Scoop up a mound of ice cold snow and roll it in a ball, just like so, to create your snowman shape. Snowmen are usually about 3 circles, just like that. I'm gonna try with my finger. Oh, this is nice. Oh, it's so soft. And there you've got a nice poofy snowman and some snowflakes in the sky. You could finish up with some snow on the ground, maybe some drifting snow. Snowflakes are falling, falling very gently snowflakes are falling, falling very gently to the ground. And once your masterpiece is complete, put it somewhere to dry. And once it's dry, it'll still be poofy, but you'll have your very own snow scene. Have fun, friends!